Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Now today we are back with Andrew Christian, and we are going to be looking at some fun little ones. I'm going to show you obviously the jockstrap ones first, because we always get into that first just to allude to, and you can get to see a little bit of it before you go over and check it out on Patreon. This is the gold one. It's kind of like a wood effect, I want to say, but it's this really nice gold pattern with a little bit of bronze in there too. You can see that this is a really nice kind of colored one, and it's definitely a, I don't know how to describe the back, but it's definitely got like a bit of a brief back going on, but then these small little straps which don't really have any stretch in them. They're very like tensed up, but it's very soft, very meshy. If you want something sexy like this with a little bit of sparkle and a little bit of gold and bronze kind of color, which also has this extra little bit on the back, which I think is quite different, and I haven't seen that before. So yeah, that is that one. Another little one that you might enjoy as well, to be honest, I think it's super sexy. Another animal little print one that is very see-through and also has these metal rings to join up where the bands are, which I think is quite different too. These are quite heavy, these, so they will sit perfectly on your waist. There's two of them there. If you want to see something a little bit different, go over to Patreon, check out these two in a full episode over there. There's over 60 episodes, maybe 70 at this point. There's so many. Go check them out for the price of coffee and a bagel and get all the behind the scenes access. See what new videos are going to be coming up. Get some sneak peeks. Get to see all these episodes and also photos that I have never shown out before, or before they land on the gram, just in case. To the main event, I want to show off one of these. This is the metallic kind. It looks like sequin, but it's not. It's just a sequin looking print all over this gold massive underwear. Now, massive is always a good one because they really like to show off the boys on the front. So if you are looking for that and you want to show them off, this is the one to go for. This is a full-on gold spectacle. This is what they look like. They're super shiny, super nice on. They do have a pouch that kind of like extends itself out pretty much. The inside is quite nice. It's a black kind of soft microfibery feel, so it's even more breathable, which I really like. The bands on these are really soft too. They just feel really nice and they're snug on. They do have a really good size in there. A little bit of a stretch. It does go back quite fast, and the leg is quite nice too. It doesn't have too much of a give on it, but it's enough just to feel snug in. And I really like how they shape the boys on the front and the ass on the back, and you can't beat a bit of gold. So if you want to be a gold member in these, go check them out. I highly recommend them. They really look good on all body types, which I really like. I like a bit of an inclusive underwear that goes all the way. I think that's always a good one, and that is no exception with these. So yeah, I really like them. I think they're great. Like, they're stylish, they look sexy. Definitely more of a date night underwear for sure. I'm definitely showing you a lot more date nighty ones that are very sexy, comfortable. Good price point as well. If you can get them on a sale, I think these would be really great. I just like how they look, and I think they look sexy on too. And same goes with these too. If you want to go check them out, I highly recommend checking them out on their website. I really like this metallic one that looks like a little bit of wood stain. Love that. I don't know, the feeling of the back on this one is just amazing. So overall, I have to give it a 4.9. The only one point is these little tags. That's the only bane of my existence with this underwear. When they're all tagged, they're all going to get all 5 out of 5 for me, until it's something really bad. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry, I think the video just ended that you were just watching, but don't worry. You can leave a comment down below, tell me what you thought about the video, what was your favorite part, or any suggestions you might have. But also, while you're at it, make sure to hit that like button so you can help grow the channel some more. Wait, you want more videos? Okay, well, you can subscribe right here and get any of those fun updates or any new notifications of giveaways, videos, or anything else straight to your inbox first. Or you can click right here to get one of my hand-picked videos just for you, and you can go binge it if you want. So thank you, and have an awesome day wherever you may be. Bye-bye.